a good push next season. The only thing we need now are players. Okay, so I'm asking help from everyone here. Okay, recruit players. Your friends, ZVZ players, players who want the rank 3. You know, to everyone in this guild. We're not the same Maharlika that's a Pinoy guild anymore. We're an international guild. Okay, we're playing with a lot of different people now. Okay, so right now I already pulled new Chinese bomb squad from China. They that just joined today. Then we have Snow's bomb squad, also an international bomb squad. Next season we're also pulling. Hopefully Tanker we're able to pull Jenny because the Korean bomb squad said that they're gonna be moving to me next season also, which is another powerhouse bomb squad that's gonna join. Okay. The only thing we need to do, 100 main Zerg, 3 bomb squads. It's already enough for a top 3 push. So I'm telling you, when I announce that top 3, it's not bullshit. Okay? I'm going for it. So the only question is, are you also going for it?